Maths Lecture 1. This subject factorization is a part of mathematics and has a very important role in calculating a lot of things which are unknown. Factorization is basically done with the help of an unknown variable. Normally it can be x or y which can be sorted out. There are various objectives to do with this particular aspect of mathematical part. There is a knowledgeable objective, or knowledge objective, there is comprehensive objective, and the psychomotor objective. All these objectives are to understand and conceptualize how students are applying mathematics in their day-to-day life. And factorization in particular will be a part of that learning which we will do today. First of all, we can start with what are those numbers which can divide 10. So there can be various numbers which divide 10. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 5, or it can be 10 itself. In another question we can ask, what are those numbers which divide 20? Similarly, we can say that 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are those numbers which divide 20. So in short, we can again ask what are the factors of 4. So here the new term factor has come and we will discuss and learn more about this factorization. E-lesson plan or electronic form lesson plan for factorization. What are the factors? The factors say if there is a natural number 20, we can mention this 20 in various forms. We can mention 20 in a multiple of 2 and 10. We can also mention 20 in a multiple of 4 and 5. We can also mention this 20 in a multiple of 1 and 20. Thus we can say there are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 which are dividing 20 are the factors of 20. Where 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 20 because nothing can be dividing them or nothing will be dividing them. As we know the prime factors are the prime numbers. So in factors we can say in algebraical numbers, for example 6a. So we can say 6a can be represented as 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a. Same way 10ab. So there is 10 which can be represented by 1 into 2 into 5. Then it is further multiplied by a, so into a, and further multiplied by b into b. Same way, we can say this third example, 30a plus b into a minus bm. I can mention the factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Then there is a multiplied by m. Then there is a further multiplication of a plus b and a minus b. Thus we can say there can be an algebraical expression also, the way so similarly we do for arithmetic, in the same way for algebra. For example, a 2x into x plus y can be written in non-factor form and factor form. In non-factor form, we have to multiply both of them, and we can mention how it is written. So if we see second example, x plus y into 3x minus y, we can see how it has been written in factor form. So thus we can explain that the factor 5xy square plus 7x square y, we can have different terms. It has two terms. First term is 5x y square and second term is 7x square y. Here the first term will again further break because it is a product of 5 into x into y, that is y square. Similarly, the second term, which is 7x square y, can be broken down into different factors, that is 7 into x into x into y. When we do factors, we will arrive at some numbers which have multiple factors or which have common factors. For example, there in one first circle we have written the factors of 36. There are 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 12, 18, 6 and 36, similarly as we have done before. Likewise, the factors of 40 can be written as 1, 2, 4, 5, 40, 20, 10 and 8. So here, if you see, there are some common factors which we have written in between in overlapped area. This area which is common to both of them is known as overlapped area. So here, in overlapped area, we are writing 1, 2 and 4 only one time, but this is mentioning for both of them, both the circles. So these are known as common factors. For example, we can take another example like 2a is 2 into a and 4b is 2 into 2 into b. Here you see the 2 is a common factor in both of them. Alright. Let's take another example. For example, we are provided to factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square, where 12a square b is the first term and 15ab square is the second term. Here, 12a square b can be multiplied or can be represented by 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b, and 15 can be broken down and 3 into 5. A will remain a and b square can be written as b into b. Here you can see what are the common factors. Here you see on first term the 3 is there, second term 3 is there. The first term a is there, second term a is there, and first term there is one b and second term there is also a b. So we can say there is a common factor which is there, which is 3a and b. This 3a and b can be separated down from both of them and we can segregate. So this is what our required factor form is, if you see how we have done it. Let's take another problem. Let's say we are provided a problem and we are being asked to factorize it. The problem is 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x raised to power 4. Here 10x square is first term, 18x cube is second term and 14x to the power 4 is third term. If you factorize, which 10x square can be written as 10 can be broken down into 2 into 5 into x into x. 18x cube can be factorized by 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. Similarly, 14x to the power 4 can be represented by 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. Here if we notice, the common factor is 2 which is everywhere, common factor is x which is everywhere, common factor is another x. So we can say that x square is the common factor. Therefore, we can represent it in the same way. We are taking what can be written in that form and then the common thing is taken down. That is how factorization is being done. So students, we have started doing factorization. Now when you go home, you have to do 3 problems which I am providing you. First is 12a plus 48, second one is 1222b minus 33c, and third problem is 35pq plus 49pqr. What you have to do is to find out what are the common factors and do it and bring it tomorrow and just let me know how you have done it.